Hello guys, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the maintenance required light on a Toyota Chr. So for step 1, you want to make sure the ignition is on. And by doing this, if you have a start-stop button, you want to press it twice quickly so you don't start the car, you just want your ignition to be on. When the ignition is on, press the trip button as you see on the screen here until it reads trip A in the display. So now we're on step 2. Now you want to turn off the ignition. When the ignition is off, press and hold the trip button again. At the same time, turn on the ignition and don't release the trip button until it reads 5 zeros in the display. Then release the trip button. Turn the ignition off. Your service light has now been reset. Thank you for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one.